Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alright, let's get this shout out on the road. Get my previous drawn. Let's give a nice good mix. And here we got we got Adventure Rhoades. I do have their sticker. Eyeball on the board. Alright, so here's their sticker right next to this Joker. And right above Muscat Dream Survival. Good dude. Got the Legend Ron T. Sawyer. Chris's Variety Channel, which I think he named Chris Stone now. Joseph Russell, a cool guy, and this Joker again. We got Open Air Fish Market here and Fab Creations there.
Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all their information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video is usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Stick